My name's Jake Pacheco. When I first came to the U of A, I was aerospace and mechanical engineering. I really like the classes, but I'm not really sure I want to do this for industry. When I came to mining, what they were doing seemed really interesting and much more diverse than mechanical and aerospace, where they just have you duplicate a part that's been duplicated 1,000 times before. So that's kind of what drew me into mining. The University of Arizona, partially because I got the best scholarship from them. That's kind of what led me here in the first place. Plus, growing up in Tucson, it was kind of just the right time. Since I came in late, I had a lot of makeup work to do, but the department itself was more than willing to make all sorts of accommodations so I could take classes and finish in 4 years. We got to go tour some mine sites, we got to see what happens in the real world. And that's really also what made me want to do mining, is I got to see there was actual applications for what we were learning, not just this, oh, hypothetical someday. This is actively what's going on in the industry. Throughout the U of A, they also offer tons of scholarship opportunities that we could apply for. So if you really try, it's not hard at all to not really pay much for your education, because there's tons of opportunities for money, scholarships, and all sorts of other opportunities to make college more affordable. Originally, it was actually to go straight into the workforce and hopefully do something with production and processing. But last semester, I got introduced more to the legal aspects of mining, and now I'm trying to get into law school to pursue mining law. Mining has a spot for pretty much any interest in any background, really. And a lot of the times when they're in like computer systems or electrical engineering, their degree is really useful for us in the industry. And also there's tons of opportunities. It's not a dead end. Once you're in mining, you can go all sorts of places. I like to go hiking and biking around. I mean, Tucson has great outdoor activities, so it's always a nice time to go out and enjoy nature. My name is Jake Pacheco. I'm at the University of Arizona Mining Engineering program, and I am mining.